Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by preparing the pixel so changes are safe and reversible. Open Settings and tap Display. This is where Android exposes typography options. Once done, make sure you have a restore point or backup because fonts affect readability system-wide. You're starting with the built-in controls. They're quick and supported. Tap font size and style to see immediate choices. This step moves you from setup to action and explains why you use display rather than third-party apps for basic, stable changes. Now you'll fine-tune how text appears across apps. Drag the font size slider to adjust scale. Smaller values fit more text, larger values increase readability. Choose what balances content density and clarity. Next, tap font style to pick a system font or an installed custom font. You're changing glyph shapes, which affects legibility and tone. If you need stronger contrast, toggle bold text or visit accessibility for enhanced sizing and magnification. These steps explain how and why to install custom fonts. Use a reputable font app from the Play Store and follow its installation prompts. You're extending system options, but be cautious. Unverified APKs can break rendering. Once installed, return to font style and apply the new font, then reboot to ensure system apps load it. If fonts don't apply, clear the launcher cache or reinstall the font. If display glitches continue, restore the backup you made earlier or reset font settings. That returns your phone to a known good state.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.